Hello everyone. Right now you can see the red metal drum. Yeah, it was deformed. You can see it was deformed because even I use the metal drum like this. I didn't use the plastic drum. I used with the metal drum. It very solid, but yet you can see it was deformed because of double air pressure, right? Double air pressure. The project I use double air pressure one and two the end of the output pipe over there, and otherwise I use with the pump air to pump it to fill the air to this main drum. So it's very strong pressure. It can make this metal drum is deformed. So if you want to follow set up this kind of project, you have to use the more solid than this metal drum. It can make a pressure to suck the water from this well here. So okay, right now I can go to see the end of our pipe. It still work or not, but I think that maybe no working because it deformed, right? You can see here nothing. The first time you can see the water drops remain here, but after it was deformed, everything no, that water flow, no water flow. You can see here. Even I open the check, but water no come out because it deformed. And otherwise I use with a double air pressure, the one the in the beginning of the output pipe, and otherwise the end of output pipe here with double, so it can make strong pressure to make the metal drum, to make the main drum it's deformed. Okay. Okay, thank you so much dear to see my review, my video today. See you in the video. Thank you so much.